Hey there. If you think you understand AI right now, you probably don't. This week changed everything. Claude Opus 4.7 just dropped, and it's one of the most powerful public AIs ever. It can code, analyze, and run complex tasks like a pro. But here's the kicker. It's not even the most powerful version out there. Behind the scenes, there's another model called Mythos, and it's so advanced that they refuse to release it. Why? Because it can find real software vulnerabilities and even generate working exploits. For the first time in history, AI isn't being limited because it's weak. It's being held back because it's too powerful. Meanwhile, AI agents are taking over actual jobs. They're not just assisting, they're doing the work. Companies are already replacing workflows with AI systems that think, plan, and execute tasks on their own. And here's where it gets wild. GPT, Gemini, Claude, and open-source models are all catching up to each other. There's no clear winner anymore, which means AI is becoming a commodity. So what does all this mean? Simple. The most powerful AI isn't public, and the tools you're using are just scratching the surface. The real shift? It's happening faster than most people can keep up. So ask yourself, are you using AI, or are you about to be replaced by someone who is?